Hey, what's going on, and welcome back to Barry's World. There's a lot of noise out there, not just sound, but information, opinions, updates. It's constant. And most of the time, we don't even notice it anymore. We rise up into it, carry it around, fall asleep with it still playing in the background, and somewhere along the way, that became normal. I didn't think much of it at first. I thought being informed meant being connected, that staying updated meant staying ahead. But over time, I started noticing how crowded my own thoughts felt. Not anxious, just full. Like there was never an empty space for something original to land. The noise wasn't aggressive, it wasn't even negative. It was just constant. And when something is always present, you stop questioning whether it belongs there. At some point, I started turning things down. Not dramatically, not all at once. Just small choices. Less input at the start of my day, fewer voices competing for my attention, more time without anything playing at all. And what surprised me wasn't what I lost, it was what came back. Focus, curiosity, a quieter kind of clarity. Creativity doesn't show up when everything is loud, and neither does perspective. Silence isn't empty, it's spacious. And in that space, you start to notice which thoughts are actually yours. This isn't about unplugging from the world, it's about choosing what deserves your attention. Because attention is energy, and energy is life. When the noise turns down, you don't disappear, you come back. Maybe not all at once, but enough to know the difference. We'll keep exploring this. No pressure, no rules, just awareness. Until next time, notice the noise, make the shift, and decide what feels right for you.